Hello and welcome you all to this demonstration of our application Paryabaran, your environment buddy. So without any further delay, let me just get started. So if I just log in, okay, so I'm logging in with my Google account. Yep. So I'm redirected to the home page of my application, and here there are a number of videos that are directly linked to YouTube, and you click on any one of them, you are redirected to YouTube and you can enjoy the video. So what it basically does is that it gives a starter to all the new users or the existing users of what our application is intending to speak. So let me just give a brief tour of each feature of our application one by one. So this is the articles page. So here there are a number of news articles or headlines related. You get a title and a brief summary of the article. So there are two machine learning algorithms working in backend. One is an article scraper, which scraps articles based on keywords like climate change, global warming, etc. from various reputed news agencies like Reuters, and the summarizes the article in few words. So if you click on read full article, you are redirected to the appropriate link. Let me just go back. So this was all about the articles page. Let me just go to the lodge complaint part. So here a user of our application can register a complaint regarding any malpractices related to environment around him or her, and according to the location of the user, this complaint will be forwarded to the concerned local authority so that a speedy justice can be delivered. So I get a complaint review. So before confirming the complaint, I get to see if I have written all the things in correct order, and if I confirm, my complaint is registered successfully. So this complaint goes to the Firebase server, and based on the location, it will be forwarded to the concerned local authority. So I just go back. Yep. Now analytics and machine learning part. So this part of our application is under development because due to time constraint we could not integrate the machine learning algorithms with the application, but the code is ready and it is in the GitHub repository that is provided and pollution detector, and these are the visualizations from that pollution detector which visualizes the various pollution levels, air pollution levels to be specific, across various states all across India. And the first visualization you can see is that it is an state versus RSPM levels, and another one is a state versus sulfur dioxide level. So you can get insights from this part. Added to that, we have a plant disease detector app which also could not integrate due to the reasons said earlier, and we have kept it under future enhancement. Now let me just go to the another important feature of our application which provides learning in a fun way across various age groups. So if you click on general knowledge quiz, yep, so you get various terms related to Earth Day, World Water Day, so that people can uh, come and play the quiz and can test their knowledge. So this will help them to learn things about environment as well as great awareness in a fun and easy way. So I didn't get anything right, but I am attributed as a novice, so it gives a fun adjective according to the answers you give. So let me just go back. So this is the profile phase of the application, and this was all about our application. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.